Here I have Motorola Moto G9 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So what you have to do first is to turn your device off, and after it completely turns off, hold down combination power key and volume down for a couple of seconds. When you see this menu, you can release both keys. Then you have to use volume keys to navigate to option recovery mode, and then select it with power key. Wait for a few seconds for it to enter recovery mode. Next, when you see this Android icon and this message no command, what you have to do is to hold down power key and press volume up once. And that's how you access the recovery mode menu. Use volume keys to navigate through the recovery mode and power key to select options. Here you have these options like reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, enter fast boot, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, and power off. If you want to exit recovery mode, just select first option, reboot system now, and your device will be restarted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.